What if you could turn a simple idea into a full cinematic video in just a few minutes? No complicated editing, no juggling multiple apps, and no expensive video software. Well, that's exactly what AiVideoClipStitcherFx claims to do. This brand new AI video creation tool can generate scenes, stitch them together, add music, voiceovers, and export a finished video, all from one simple dashboard. But does it actually work? Let's find out. So what exactly is AiVideoClipStitcherFx? In simple terms, it's an all-in-one AI video creation platform designed to help beginners and marketers create professional videos without editing skills. Instead of generating tiny clips and forcing you to edit them elsewhere, this tool lets you generate scenes, expand them, stitch them together on a timeline, and add music, voiceovers, or your own footage. It's perfect for creating YouTube videos, TikTok clips, ads, tutorials, and even course content. Now let's talk about some of the standout features. First, AI Video Generator. You simply type an idea or keyword, and the AI generates cinematic scenes automatically. Second, Infinite Scene Expander. This feature takes small 5-second clips and expands them into longer, seamless video sequences, sometimes up to several minutes long. Third, Multi-Layer Timeline Editor. Instead of jumping between different apps, you can trim clips, stitch scenes, add overlays, and organize everything on a real editing timeline. And finally, AI Music and Voiceovers. You can generate background music and natural-sounding narration directly inside the platform. Altogether, these tools help you create professional-looking videos in minutes instead of hours. Pros: all-in-one dashboard, video generation, editing, music, voiceovers in one place. Unlimited AI clip generation. One-time lifetime payment, no monthly subscription. Beginner-friendly interface. No advanced editing skills required. Cons: early bird price may increase after launch. Some advanced features may require optional upgrades, OTOs. And here's the exciting part. When you grab AiVideoClipStitcherFx through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300 plus premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. These bonuses are perfect for marketers, creators, and freelancers who want to grow faster online. So if you want an easier way to create professional AI videos without complicated editing, go ahead and click the link in the description below to check out AiVideoClipStitcherFx. You'll also secure the launch discount and unlock the $43,000 exclusive bonus bundle before the price increases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.